beautiful, and welcome to my channel. We're just going to start off really quick and spray my face with that Mario Badescu Rose Water, and then go in with our MAC Strobe Cream. I don't know the shade, it's a silver bottle. Okay, first of all, let's just address that the Mario Badescu Rose Water does not do jack squat. Save your coin, spray a water bottle on your face, something. You don't need it. And now we're going to go into that NYX matte bronzer. We're going to use that as an eyeshadow for my eyes. Of course, duh. I just usually do a brown, like, transition shade in my crease. And then, Better Than Sex mascara. This thing was dry. It just really got my eyelashes black. I need a new one. Okay, and now we're going to go with my Maybelline Super Stay. My shade will be in the description box. And I know you're about to think, like, bitch, that don't match. But look, once I finish up and bronze up and powder and I'm killing it. Once I do all that, it really comes together. So it may look weird now, but it'll look good soon. And also, my forehead is darker than the rest of my face, so you're especially going to think in a few seconds, bitch, what are you doing? But look, trust me, I know what I'm doing. Like, especially here, bitch, what the fuck? And we're just gonna blend. And now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And you see my face here? Do you see what I'm doing? Do you see that small triangle underneath my eyes? Do you realize that that small triangle will stretch all the way to the corner of your eye? Look, you might not believe me. I know a lot of you like to have that big ass triangle underneath your eyes, but look, in just a few seconds, I'm gonna bop, 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 bop. And it's gonna go all the way over and makes my face like duh. Hold on. Ready? Duh. Like, you see? The triangle is unnecessary. Please stop wasting all that concealer and making your eye look super cakey. It's unnecessary. And again, we're just gonna keep blending that on out. I usually don't like to do my under eye, but I was looking a little tired this day, so had to get rid of that. Okay, now we're gonna go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. Again, one of my favorites. I also don't bake my under eye because I just feel like even though I have oily skin, it makes me look cakey and I just don't prefer it. So I just go over it with my pressed powder and it looks absolutely fine. Now we're gonna go back in that that matte bronzer. Apparently I'm weak in the video too. That matte bronzer, and we're gonna bronze up my face. I don't like to contour necessarily. I just like to add warmth and depth to my face. I'm taking a BH Cosmetics angled brush. Okay, here's the part where I was saying like, oh, it's gonna come together. So I just bronze my forehead. Like I said previously, my forehead is darker than the rest of my face, so I just mimic that in my makeup. And now we're gonna go in with this upside down Fenty highlighter. I'm gonna go on the Crystal Fireside, I believe. And I like to use a bigger Morphe brush. I'm pretty sure this is used for blush, but I enjoy it for my highlighter because I hate streaky highlighter, looking like a line on your face. I like my highlighter and my bronzer to blend simultaneously. And we're gonna get that tip of the nose ahead, looking like Rudolph. And that brow bone, don't forget the brow bone. And now for some reason we're gonna put on some lip gloss, even though you're like not done with the look, but whatever. Okay, also, I don't know why I put this in here because it's kind of pointless, but I just made my own little body shimmer oil stuff with some highlighter and that argan oil. You can see I made a mess. Look at the freaking bottle. It's nasty. But yeah, it wasn't hard. Just mix your favorite highlighter in there with a good nice oil. I use argan oil. Just make sure make sure you don't use the oil that clogs your pores. Okay, back to lashes. So for lashes, I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty Scarlet number 8 lashes. Huda is canceled, so as soon as I find some beauty supply lashes, I will definitely use those. And bitch, what the fuck? Anyway, I want to fix myself now, and like I said, as soon as I find some cheap lashes that look exactly the same, I will axe her off because she no longer deserves my consistent coin. I'm about to get my hopes. You know what they say, the bigger the hoop, the bigger the hopes and dreams. So, gotta spray our face with that MAC Fix Plus, and then we're done. You get to feel yourself a little bit. Fix yourself. Okay. Alright, thank you for watching, beautiful. Tune into my next video. Bye.